So sometimes when you're ripping a 2x4, you get these kind of picture, as you see. So he's gonna, here in this side, when it passed through this blade over here, from the back side it start to pinch and it will shut down the table saw. So to avoid that, there is always a solution. Watch. What you do, you just find a common nail. 3-inch would be just fine. Make sure you have at least over 16-inch already covered. You put it right between, you put the nail right between, maybe 4 inches from this point here forward. Tap it, open up the whole gate over here. Just a little bit. That's about enough. And then you turn on your tabletop. You go over. See, just like that. And you start cutting. You start ripping now. That's it.